Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the naive dark outfit in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia has a new limited event that called Kit at Heart Party like this. And then in here, you can get the free outfit, the new outfit at this event that called naive dark. And to get it, it's very easy. First, just tap on the club icon like this, and then just tap on the Kit at Heart Party, and then just tap on Cool Purchase like this, and then just use the at the pure font, just tap on the naive dark like this, and then in here you can buy the outfit items with the Moonlight Crystal. You can get the Moonlight Crystal for free from the guild sign in, this one. So just log in every day to get the rewards like this, and in here you can get the free Moonlight Crystal. And then after that, if you want to buy this outfit, just choose the items that you want. For example, in here I want to buy full outfit package like this, and then I will just tap on purchase, just like that. You will get the full outfit, the naive dark outfit, automatically like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.